Darren.
Hi, Darren.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi, Darren.
Hi, how you doing? My name's Chris. Chris Ritchie Stringini.
What's that orange bucket behind you?
Oh, that is for when because I have a spitting issue where I just constantly spit, so I drag this around with me and I right in there.
Chris hires somebody to hold it while he's
While I'm singing, anything. They just walk around with that bucket.
bathroom, sleeping.
Yeah. It's also for battery resale. You can put your batteries in there and my saliva recharges them.
Because you're Superman.
Yeah, it's really a gift.
From Jesus?
From Jesus.
Jesus.
What is Allah?
Yahweh.
Yahweh. Love that name.
Love it. Look at that chair, isn't it perfect?
A hot chair. That's a hot chair.
Ow! Ow!
Watch this. Ready?
What are you doing?
That's called interpretive dancing.
That's not what you're doing.
Do I look good doing it at least?
No.
Come on, Ben. Shut up.
I'll lie to you. You dropped your pen.
My pen. Need an autograph? I got a pen.
And a bucket.
To spit. If you want to spit?
Or puke.
Or puke if you really get sick of me.
Or if you want to sit.
You can sit
But you'll fall through. Okay, goodbye.